This podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, I'm taking you on my imaginary boat, heading for Saint-Romain Street. And during this podcast, for once, I decided that you would not be just listeners, but actors looking for an unusual story. Indeed. During this little stroll in the Saint-Romain Street, I am going to appeal to your memory as a schoolboy or schoolgirl and to your talents as a singer or singer. Saint-Romain, and you may already know it, was Bishop of Rouen at the same time as King Dagobert. And it is about the latter that I want to talk to you because you probably know the famous song learned at school of the good King Dagobert who put his pants upside down. So, I could tell you the story behind this nursery rhyme, but someone, in the person of Philippe Vandel, has already done it and in a very beautiful way through his podcast series entitled Why? It's there that you intervene. Your mission, if you accept it, is to find Philippe Vandel's podcast on King Dagobert to discover the genesis of this song.